AI is transforming finance. From predicting stock trends to automating trading, AI is helping people grow their wealth like never before. Today, I'll show you 5 AI tools that are changing the game. Tool 1. ChatGPT and Claude AI. AI for smart investing. ChatGPT and Claude AI can analyze historical market trends, generate investment strategies, and even predict future market movements. Tool 2. DeepSeek Finance. AI for stock predictions. DeepSeek Finance uses machine learning to track global market trends and predict which stocks will rise or fall. Tool 3. Kavout K Score. AI for investment analysis. Kavout's AI scans billions of financial data points to rate stocks, analyze risks, and give smart investment recommendations. Tool 4. AlphaSense. AI for real-time market insights. AlphaSense reads millions of news articles, financial reports, and market updates to give investors instant insights before everyone else. Tool 5. AI Crypto Trading. Bots. Automated crypto investing. AI trading bots analyze crypto trends, predict price movements, and trade automatically, 24/7, even while you sleep. AI is changing how people invest, trade, and build wealth. But can AI really predict the stock market? Let me know what you think in the comments.